Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best S100 Motorcycle Cleaner is probably one of the most essential products for any rider looking to keep their bike in pristine condition, offering a powerful yet safe solution for tackling tough grime, road salt, and stubborn insect remains without damaging sensitive surfaces like paint, plastic, or rubber. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap. Experience the ultimate cleaning power with our premium car wash soap. Its Super Suds formula is designed for a brilliant shine every time. Achieve a rich, foaming lather that lifts dirt and grime with ease. This soap is perfect for use with foam cannons, blasters, or traditional bucket washing. Our pH-balanced formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your vehicle's finish. It ensures a safe and effective clean without stripping existing protection. Rest assured, this soap is safe for all your car's delicate surfaces. It won't harm wax, sealants, ceramic coatings, or clear coat finishes. Get a show car shine with minimal effort. This soap leaves your car looking immaculate and protected, making every wash a pleasure. What we like. This option offers a generous 64-ounce size for extended use. If you're looking for a soap that creates abundant foam and is gentle on your vehicle's protective layers, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who frequently wash their cars and want a reliable, pH-balanced formula. What people say. It works great and is very easy to use. This cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and grime from my motorcycle. I was impressed with how quickly it cleaned my bike. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap. Meet the Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap from Chemical Guys. It's designed for a superior cleaning experience, whether you're using a foam cannon, blaster, or traditional bucket method. Experience the power of Super Suds with this foaming car wash soap. Its rich lather lifts dirt and grime effectively, ensuring a thorough clean every time. This formula is pH balanced, making it incredibly gentle on your vehicle's finish. It's safe for all types of protection, including waxes, sealants, ceramics, and clear coats. Whether you prefer a high-foaming cannon application or a classic bucket wash, this soap delivers exceptional results. It's perfect for maintaining a pristine shine. Keep your car looking its best with a wash that respects its protective layers. It cleans without stripping away valuable waxes or sealants, preserving your investment. Achieve a brilliant shine with every wash. This soap is formulated to enhance gloss while ensuring the safety of your vehicle's delicate finishes. What we like. Get more value with this 128 ounces mega-size bottle. If you want a soap that produces a ton of suds and is safe for waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings, this is the one. It's perfect for heavy users or those who want to stock up on a high-quality, pH-balanced car wash solution. What people say. Made better suds than the less expensive cleansers previously purchased. It creates a thick foam that effectively lifts dirt and grime from the car's surface, leaving behind a streak-free shine. I put the recommended 100 milliliters, about 3.5 ounces, of this in my pressure washer foam cannon, and within a second I had absolutely painted my motorcycle with suds. I'm talking the thick, impenetrable lather that looks like a Las Vegas foam party. Number 3. S100 12600A Total Cycle Cleaner Aerosol. Introducing the S100 Total Cycle Cleaner. It's the first spray-on, rinse-off cleaner specifically designed for your motorcycle. It effortlessly reaches every part of your bike for a thorough clean without any scrubbing. This cleaner tackles your entire motorcycle, not just the engine. Achieve a sparkling bike in as little as 5 minutes. Spend more time enjoying the ride and less time cleaning. It represents the best in cycle care and is safe for all surfaces. This includes paint, chrome, alloy, plastic, rubber, bearings, and O-rings. Our formula is non-acidic and pH-controlled, containing corrosion inhibitors. Plus, it's biodegradable for an environmentally conscious clean. It's not just for motorcycles. It's also excellent for cleaning marine equipment, lawn and garden tools, snowmobiles, and even car and truck engines. What we like. This product is designed for ultimate convenience, allowing you to spray on and rinse off for a spotless motorcycle. If you're a rider who wants a sparkling bike in minutes without heavy scrubbing, this is your go-to. It's safe for every part of your motorcycle, making it ideal for quick touch-ups or deep cleans. What people say. It's a great cleaner that works well on my motorcycle. The cleaner is easy to use and leaves my bike looking shiny. I was impressed with how effectively it removed dirt and grime. Number 2. S100 Total Cycle Cleaner Bottle, 16.9 ounces. Introducing the revolutionary S100 Total Cycle Cleaner. This powerful formula is designed to clean your entire motorcycle, reaching every nook and cranny without any scrubbing. Get a sparkling clean bike in as little as 5 minutes. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the ride. It's the ultimate in cycle care, safe for all surfaces including paint, chrome, alloy, plastic, rubber, and even bearings and O-rings. Our non-acid, pH-controlled formula includes corrosion inhibitors for added protection. Plus, it's biodegradable for an eco-friendly clean. This versatile cleaner is also excellent for marine equipment, lawn and garden machinery, snowmobiles, and even car and truck engines. What we like. Experience effortless cleaning with this spray-on, rinse-off formula specifically for motorcycles. If you're looking for a cleaner that reaches every nook and cranny without scrubbing and is safe for all materials, this is it. Its non-acidic, pH-controlled nature makes it perfect for maintaining your bike's finish. What people say. The black stuff just wiped off. Another quick spray and hose job and those wheels were clean. By far the best motorcycle cleaner out there. Spray on, wash off, then dry. Easy peasy. Everything always looks sparkling. This stuff really works. I use it on my 2008 Harley mainly and it's as close to a spray and rinse degreaser I've found. Number 1. S100 12,000C Motorcycle Detailing Kit. Get ready to give your motorcycle the ultimate clean with this comprehensive detailing kit. It includes everything you need for a showroom shine. Our innovative spray-on, rinse-off cleaner reaches every part of your bike. It effectively breaks down dirt and grime without the need for harsh scrubbing. This kit features a cleanser that gently removes stubborn water spots and road film. It also helps to diminish minor swirl marks for a smoother finish. Bring back the brilliance to tarnished metal parts with our restorer. It can even help to make minor scratches on plastics disappear. Easily wipe away dust, spots, and bug residue with the detailer. The included wax provides a protective layer, keeping your bike looking its best. This kit comes complete with a super absorbing drying towel and a sponge. Everything is conveniently stored in a handy case for easy transport and storage. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for motorcycle detailing, offering a comprehensive kit with multiple specialized cleaners and a drying towel. If you want a complete package to achieve a showroom shine, from initial cleaning to final waxing, this kit has you covered. It's perfect for enthusiasts who appreciate having all the right tools in one convenient package. What people say. The chrome paste not only cleans the oxidation, the detail and wax aerosol works wonders on the basecoat clear coat. The towel wicks away water with ease. Makes cleaning all surfaces so easy. The S100 worked great on degreasing the wheels, engine and final drive cases on my bikes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.